One of the best things about Android is its customizability. While Google opts for a stock-like Android experience on its Pixel smartphones, other Android smartphones come with custom skins from their respective brands. The OnePlus 12 is no exception, running on its feature-rich Oxygen OS skin. Oxygen OS is filled with customization options, productivity-enhancing tools, and handy shortcuts. Here are a few essential tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your OnePlus 12. Swipe down to access notifications quickly. Swiping down on the home screen can be a quick way to access different functions. This gesture is set to open global search by default in Oxygen OS, which might not be ideal for everyone. If you frequently check notifications, change this gesture to bring up the notification drawer instead. This is particularly useful when you want to see notifications without reaching to the top of the screen. Here's how to activate this feature. Open Settings, select Home Screen and Lock Screen, tap Swipe down on home screen, and change the action to Notification Drawer. See battery percentage in the status bar. By default, Oxygen OS doesn't display the battery percentage next to the icon in the status bar. Swipe down to the Quick Settings panel to see it. Adding the battery percentage to the status bar is simple. You can customize the battery icon style in the status bar for a personalized look. Here's how to set it up. Go to Settings, go to Notification and Status Bar, and select Status Bar. Toggle on battery percentage. This is optional. Tap battery style and choose your preferred icon style. Keep your battery healthy with an 80% charging limit. The OnePlus 12 boasts one of the largest batteries and fastest charging speeds among flagship Android phones, but maintaining battery health is just as crucial. To help with this, OnePlus offers an option to stop charging at 80%, which prevents overcharging and extends the battery's lifespan. While this feature is rolling out to other phones with Android 15, OnePlus built it into Oxygen OS out of the box. Here's how to activate it. Open Settings, select Battery, then tap on Battery Health. Toggle on Stop Charging at 80%. Turn your OnePlus 12 into a universal remote. One advantage the OnePlus 12 holds over other flagship smartphones in the US is its built-in IR blaster. With it, you can control a range of home appliances like TVs, ACs, streaming devices, and fans, all from your phone without using the original remote. Setting it up is quick and easy. First, pull down the Quick Settings panel. Tap the Overflow menu, the three dots in the upper right corner. Select Edit Tiles. Find the IR Remote tile and add it to your Quick Settings. Pull down the Quick Settings again and tap on the IR Remote tile. When setting it up for the first time, tap the plus button and program it for your device. Customize display settings to match your style. The OnePlus 12 boasts one of the best displays among Android smartphones, and it comes with several options that allow you to fine-tune it to your liking. The screen resolution is set to FHD+ by default, and you can switch it to QHD+ for sharper visuals. You can also override the default auto-select refresh rate to lock it at 120Hz for buttery smooth visuals across all apps. You can use the Eye Comfort mode on the OnePlus 12 to automatically adjust the screen's color temperature based on ambient lighting to reduce eye strain. You can access and tweak all these settings in the Display and Brightness menu within the Settings app. See your frequently used apps right up top. By default, the app drawer in Oxygen OS organizes your apps alphabetically. While this makes it easy to find apps, scrolling down for apps starting with later letters can be a hassle, especially if you have a lot installed. Change the sort order to see your most used apps at the top for quicker access. Here's how. Open the app drawer and tap Manage. Select Sort and choose the By Usage option. Navigate more easily with One-Handed Mode. The OnePlus 12 is a large device. Its expansive 6.82-inch display makes it perfect for enjoying media content. Still, it can be tricky to handle with one hand, especially for users with smaller hands. OnePlus offers a one-handed mode that makes reaching the top portion of the screen easier. When it's turned on, swipe down near the bottom edge of the display to bring down the entire interface for easier access. Here's how to set it up. Open Settings, select Accessibility and Convenience, and tap One-Handed Mode. Toggle it on. Open apps in a floating window for better multitasking. Oxygen OS offers several features that make multitasking on the OnePlus 12 easier. One such feature is the floating window, which allows you to view and interact with an app in a small resizable window that hovers over other active apps. It eliminates the need to switch back and forth between apps, keeping everything within reach. Here's how to open any app in a floating window. Open the Recent Apps view and tap the Overflow menu next to the app's icon. Select floating window from the options. Launching split-screen apps with a gesture. Another multitasking feature worth exploring on the OnePlus 12 is its split-screen view for apps. While most Android devices support split-screen mode, Oxygen OS makes this experience better with a gesture that simplifies the process. When it's turned on, you can quickly open any app in split-screen view by swiping up with 3 fingers. Here's how to set it up. Navigate to Settings, select Accessibility and Convenience, select Split View, toggle on Swipe Up with 3 fingers to enter Split View. While OnePlus smartphones may lag behind the likes of the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and Google Pixel 9 Pro XL in terms of AI features, Oxygen OS includes plenty of hidden tools and settings that can unlock the full potential of your device. With these tips and tricks, you can get the most out of your OnePlus 12.